to Forex trading analysis for Synergy FX. It's 5:49 p.m. on Sunday, June the 24th, and today we're going to be looking at just a couple pairs. But quick risk disclaimer before we get started: foreign exchange trading carries a high level of risk. Before you decide to trade foreign exchange, we encourage you to consider your investment objectives, your risk tolerance, and trading experience. It is possible to lose some or all of your initial investment, so please don't invest money you can't afford to lose. Seek advice from an independent financial or tax advisor, and all information provided is for educational purposes only and should not be construed as trading advice or counsel. So, two pairs I want to take a look at are, first of all, the euro dollar, because we have new home sales coming up. Forecast is at 347,000, and it comes out at 10 a.m. tomorrow, so a nice time to trade it. Other than that, we don't have any important news flagged red tomorrow coming out from the dollar, so we could see some range bound trading tomorrow in between a couple points. For the euro dollar right now, we are trading at around 1.25516, and that is currently just about 500, almost 600 pips away from the 200-hour moving average, which is currently below the 100, and the 100 is beginning to slope to the downside towards the 200, and we're currently printing just below that. So if you throw in an hourly or daily chart for this pair, we see that we have started to rotate down from the upside. Currently, the move all the way down has taken us around 1,300 pips, and it is possible we could start to rotate down from there. If the dollar number does come out strong tomorrow, people do start buying dollars and selling euros, then we could see a continuation of the downside, which I do think will happen eventually. But I've been saying over the past few videos, I think we will start to enter some range bound trading, which we have seen over the past few weeks. The low down here currently is at 1.23360, and that's the lowest close, and the low is 1.23360 is the low, and the close is 1.24294. So if we do start to break below that level, and we do start to close below the previous low as well as the previous close, then I will be looking for a further rotation to the downside. But for now, we are sort of entering some range-bound trading, and while I do think the big guns will start to push this one direction or the other, it's going to be interesting to see over the next few days which bias this has. RSI currently is printing at 45.9, almost 46, so we could see basically either direction for this pair. We're not really overbought or oversold, and the momentum indicators aren't really showing anything for bullish or bearish. So, like I said, from the euro, we are currently at a sort of rough time to trade. Range bound trading is sort of the overall predominant scheme in the marketplace right now, and it is possible we could break out over the next couple weeks, but I don't think that'll happen in the beginning of the week. So the other pair I do want to take a look at, which is a kind of a nice place, is the New Zealand dollar, which is between the 200 and 100 hour. It is looking like possible for the 100 to start sloping to the downside. We are showing some signs of that. We did see a small gap to the downside and a push to the upside so far. Usually these gaps do tend to fill, so we could possibly see another just one pip to the upside. But if you are trading right now and you are in the long position, I would hold that just a little bit longer until we do fill that gap on the close. In terms of hourly charts, we did start to rotate down from the 200 and 100, like I had said in the other videos. This is kind of a point that is very difficult to trade right now. Even after it does start to rotate down, a lot of people enter sell orders here, when really, if we do start to begin a new uptrend, then the right position is to buy here. So I'll be looking for, this is not a good place to enter a trade right now. We're currently printing at 0.7891, and a lot of times people will be fooled here by buying. You can see sort of an example here, as we did start to bounce above the 100 day moving average, and a strong sell-off ensued. So if we are entering a new uptrend, which I do believe could happen from the New Zealand dollar, it's a relatively strong pair, then I do think we could break these levels in the next few days. So be really careful about holding shorts in this market right now, especially for the New Zealand and Aussie, which is also a very similar chart. I'm not going to take the time to talk about this because it is so similar. Those are the two pairs I want to take a look at. Relatively quick video today. Should be in for an interesting week. We'll keep you updated as any other posts roll in. Please follow us during the week at SynergyFX, and thank you very much for watching. Good luck trading.